Hello, Vlad here from Track Capital. Here behind me you can see the exchange in Preston, and you can see construction is well underway. The exchange in Preston, let's go in.
Hi, I'm Matt here from Track Capital. We're here on site at the exchange in Preston. We're actually standing on site. This is actually going to be the gym area here, and we'll give you a tour of much more.
In here, we are on the 5th floor of the exchange in Preston. As you can see right here, this is going to be block C, which will be the highest in the building. Right here, we're in the middle block, which will have a rooftop garden, and I'm pleased to show you the beautiful views. We have those magnificent views with projected yields up to 7% net, with great pre-launch discounts as well a completion date of Q3 2023.
We're currently on site at the exchange in Preston. It is a PR1 location, so prime city centre. As you can see behind me, we're a 2-minute walk from the biggest bus station in the UK. And if we just walk over here, as you can kind of see in the distance there, not far away, that is Preston North End, the football club in Preston. And of course, as you can see, really well located. It's going to be a great place to invest into.
Thank you so much for watching our presentation of the exchange in Preston. As you can see, construction is well underway. We are on schedule. And if you'd like to know more information, visit our website trackcapital.co.uk.